Welcome back to my channel. In this video we are discussing about most important questions of March 2025 current affairs. In this video we are covering these topics in an order wise. That are important days, appointments, awards, books, state, international, science and tech and sports. So let's start. First topic is important days of March 2025. Question number 1. When is National Safety Day observed in India? Correct answer is B. 4th March. 2. What is celebrated on 8th March every year? Correct answer is B. International Women's Day. 3. Which day is observed as World Kidney Day in 2025? Correct answer is C. 13th March. 4. What is the significance of 14th March? Correct answer is A. International Mathematics Day. 5. When is World Consumer Rights Day celebrated? Correct answer is B. 15th March. 6. Which of these days is observed on 20th March? Correct answer is A. International Day of Happiness. 7. World Water Day is celebrated on which date? Correct answer is C. 22nd March. 8. Which of the following is observed on 23rd March? Correct answer is A. World Meteorological Day. 9. Which special day is observed on 1st March? Correct answer is A. Zero Discrimination Day. 10. What is celebrated on 3rd March every year? Correct answer is A. World Wildlife Day. 11. On which date is Pi Day observed? Correct answer is C. 14th March. 12. World Sparrow Day is celebrated on which date? Correct answer is D. 20th March. 13. When is Shaheed Divas, Martyrs Day, observed in India in March? Correct answer is C. 23rd March. 14. What is the significance of 24th March? Correct answer is A. World Tuberculosis Day. 15. Which day is observed on 27th March? Correct answer is A. International Theatre Day. 16. When is Earth Hour observed in 2025? Correct answer is B. 29th March. This is not yet confirmed, so it is tentative date. Let's start our second topic, appointments of March 2025. 17. Who was appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India in March 2025? Correct answer is C. Ajay Seth. 18. Who took over as the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Sanjay Malhotra. 19. Who was appointed as the Chairperson of SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India, in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. 20. Which judge was elevated to the Supreme Court of India in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Justice Joymalya Bagchi. 21. Who was appointed as a full-time member of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister, EACPM, in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Sanjay Kumar Mishra. 22. Who became the CEO of the Government e-Marketplace, GeM, in March 2025? Correct answer is A. Ajay Bhadu. 23. How many senior officials were reassigned in the major administrative reshuffle at the Joint Secretary level in March 2025? Correct answer is C. 35. 24. Who was appointed as a permanent judge of the Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Justice Wasim Sadiq Nargal. 25. Who did Ajay Seth replace as the Finance Secretary of India in March 2025? Correct answer is C. Tuhin Kanta Pandey. 26. The Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister, EACPM, provides advice on which of the following matters? Correct answer is B. Economic and policy issues. 27. Sanjay Kumar Mishra, who was appointed as a full-time member of EACPM, previously served as the director of which organization? Correct answer is A. Enforcement Directorate, ED. 28. Which department does Ajay Bhadu, the new CEO of Government e-Marketplace, GeM, belong to? Correct answer is B. Ministry of Commerce. 29. Who was the previous Governor of the Reserve Bank of India before Sanjay Malhotra took over in March 2025? Correct answer is C. Shaktikanta Das. 30. The Government e-Marketplace, GeM, is a platform primarily used for what purpose? Correct answer is C. Public procurement of goods and services. Let's see who all got awards in March 2025. 31. Who won the 2025 Abel Prize for Mathematics? Correct answer is C. Masaki Kashiwara. 32. Which film won the Best Picture award at the 97th Academy Awards held on 2nd March 2025? Correct answer is D. Anara. 33. At the 18th Asian Film Awards on 16th March 2025, which film received the Best Film Award? Correct answer is B. All We Imagine as Light. 34. Which bank won the Top Improvers Award in the East 6.0 Reforms Index in March 2025? Correct answer is C. Punjab and Sindh Bank. 35. Who was selected for the 59th Gyanpith Award announced in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Vinod Kumar Shukla. 36. Which industrialist received the Business Icon of the Year award in March 2025? Correct answer is C. Kumar Mangalam Birla. 37. Which musician was honored with the Sangeeta Kalanidhi Award in March 2025? Correct answer is B. R.K. Sriram Kumar. 38. Which artist won the Outstanding Music Artist Award at the 36th GLAAD Media Awards on 27th March 2025? Correct answer is B. Doechi. 39. Which television series won the Outstanding New Series Award at the 36th GLAAD Media Awards in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Agatha All Along. 40. Which film received the most nominations at the 18th Asian Film Awards in March 2025? Correct answer is A. Exhuma. Let's switch books and authors which are in current affairs in March 2025. 41. Which book released in March 2025 serves as a prequel to The Hunger Games series? Correct answer is B. Sonrise on the Reaping. 42. Everything is Tuberculosis by John Green explores which major theme? Correct answer is C. Global Tuberculosis Crisis. 43. Elfie, A Wicked Childhood by Gregory Maguire focuses on which character? Correct answer is C. Elphaba, the Wicked Witch of the West. 44. The Love We Found by Jill Santopolo is a sequel to which book? Correct answer is A. The Light We Lost. 45. The Paris Express by Emma Donoghue is set against which historical event? Correct answer is C. The 1895 Montparnasse train derailment. 46. Stellar Stories for Boys of the Future by Francisca Cavallo focuses on what theme? Correct answer is C. Redefining Masculinity for Boys. 47. Which book by Suzanne Collins explores the backstory of Hamish Abernathy? Correct answer is B. Sonrise on the Reaping. 48. What is the central theme of The Love We Found by Jill Santopolo? Correct answer is B. Love and Grief. 49. Everything is Tuberculosis by John Green examines Correct answer is B. The global tuberculosis crisis. Let's see states-related current affairs. 50. Which state became the first to broadcast legislative assembly proceedings in sign language? Correct answer is C. Punjab. 51. Which state implemented the Uniform Civil Code (UCC) in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Uttarakhand. 52. In March 2025, which state introduced AI-powered traffic management systems? Correct answer is C. Karnataka. 53. The Republic Day Parade 2025's Best Tableau Award was won by which state? Correct answer is A. Uttar Pradesh. 54. In which state is the Polvaram multipurpose project located, which was in the news in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Andhra Pradesh. 55. Which state government approved Mission Shakti 2.0 for women's empowerment? Correct answer is A. Odisha. 56. Which state announced a ban on plastic water bottles smaller than 500 milliliters? Correct answer is B. Goa. 57. Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport was ranked what number among the world's busiest airports? Correct answer is C. 9th. 58. The MV Ganga Vilas, the world's longest river cruise, completed its journey in which state? Correct answer is C. Assam. 59. Which state conducted major security operations against Naxalites in March 2025? Correct answer is D. Chhattisgarh. Now let's see some important questions related international current affairs. 60. Which country hosted the G20 summit in March 2025? Correct answer is C. USA. 61. In March 2025, which country became the latest member of the European Union? Correct answer is C. Moldova. 62. Which country launched the world's first AI-powered news channel in March 2025? Correct answer is C. UAE. 64. Which country won the most gold medals in the 2025 Winter Paralympics? Correct answer is B. Norway. 64. In March 2025, which country successfully tested its first quantum satellite for secure communications? Correct answer is A. Russia. 65. Which country unveiled its first electric-powered commercial aircraft in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Germany. 66. Which Middle Eastern country signed a historic peace deal with Israel in March 2025? Correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia. 67. Which nation faced severe economic collapse and declared bankruptcy in March 2025? Correct answer is C. Argentina. 68. Which space agency launched a mission to explore Jupiter's moon Europa in March 2025? Correct answer is A. NASA. 69. Which country witnessed mass protests against pension reforms in March 2025? Correct answer is A. France. 70. Who was stuck in place from 8 months? Correct answer is A. Butch and Sunita. Next topic is science and tech current affairs. 71. What is the reason for the delay of NASA's Mars sample return mission? Correct answer is B. Technical challenges and funding constraints. 72. Which space mission was launched by NASA in March 2025? Correct answer is D. Europa Clipper mission. 73. Which renewable energy breakthrough occurred in March 2025? Correct answer is A. Fusion energy reactor achieves net positive energy. 74. Which tech giant unveiled a new AI-powered robot assistant in March 2025? Correct answer is A. Amazon. 75. What new AI technology was introduced by OpenAI in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Sora Video AI. 76. Which company announced a major breakthrough in quantum computing in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Google. 77. What breakthrough in medical technology was announced in March 2025? Correct answer is B. New AI-powered diagnostic tool for early Alzheimer's detection. 78. Which new electric vehicle model was revealed by Tesla in March 2025? Correct answer is A. Tesla Model Z. 79. Which country successfully tested the world's first commercial 5G satellite network in March 2025? Correct answer is C. India. The last part of this session is sport. Let's see current affairs related to sports. 80. Which country won the ICC Women's T20 World Cup in March 2025? Correct answer is A. Australia. 81. Who won the 2025 ATP Indian Wells Masters Men's Singles title in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Carlos Alcaraz. 82. In March 2025, which country won the Six Nations Championship in rugby? Correct answer is A. Ireland. 83. Who became the highest goal scorer in the 2024-2025 Premier League season in March 2025? Correct answer is B. Erling Haaland. 84. In March 2025, which country won the 2025 ICC Men's Cricket World Cup qualifiers? Correct answer is B. Netherlands. 85. Which team won the 2025 NBA All-Star Game in March? Correct answer is A. Team LeBron. 86. Who won the 2025 Formula One Bahrain Grand Prix in March? Correct answer is B. Max Verstappen. 87. In March 2025, who became the fastest woman to complete a marathon? Correct answer is B. Cara D'Amato. 88. Which tennis player won the 2025 Australian Open Men's Singles title in March? Correct answer is A. Novak Djokovic. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel and keep supporting.